Hello, and welcome to the Learn English, Love English channel. Today, we will share the inspiring story of Sneha, a 12-year-old girl from Kolkata who dreamed of becoming a cabin crew member. Sneha always imagined flying high in the skies, helping passengers, and exploring new places. However, her journey to achieving this dream was not an easy one. Sneha studied in a Bengali medium school, and her parents wanted her to join the National Cadet Corps, NCC, instead. They believed NCC would make her disciplined and strong. But Sneha wasn't happy with this decision. She often cried because she didn't want to go to NCC. She wanted to follow her own dream of becoming a cabin crew member. One day, Sneha's mother noticed how upset she was and asked, "Do you really want to become a cabin crew member?" With tears in her eyes, Sneha nodded. Her mother understood her feelings and convinced her father to support Sneha's dream. They enrolled her in a Frankfurt course to learn the necessary skills for becoming a cabin crew member. However, Sneha faced another challenge speaking English confidently. Coming from a Bengali medium school, she found it hard to speak fluently in English, which was crucial for her career. Sneha sometimes felt discouraged, but her mother reminded her that dreams require hard work. She told Sneha, "You've already taken the first step by following your heart. Now, you need to keep improving every day." Sneha started practicing English daily. She spoke with friends, listened to English songs, and watched movies in English. Slowly, she began to get better at speaking English. Even though the 11-month course was tough, Sneha didn't give up. She knew that to achieve her dream, she had to keep going, no matter how hard it was. Sneha understood that being shy could be a challenge, but it didn't have to stop her. She learned to believe in herself and started speaking up more and sharing her ideas. She practiced speaking English every day. The more she practiced, the better she became. This daily practice helped her gain confidence in her English-speaking abilities. Sneha joined a public speaking club at school. This helped her practice talking in front of others, which made her less shy and more confident in her communication skills. She focused on grooming and presentation, learning how to dress and carry herself like a professional cabin crew member. This improved her overall confidence and appearance. Sneha read about customer service and how to interact with passengers kindly and professionally. This knowledge was essential for her future role as a cabin crew member. She knew that being physically fit was important, so she started exercising regularly. This not only improved her fitness, but also made her feel more confident and energetic. Sneha practiced answering interview questions and speaking confidently when applying for cabin crew jobs. This preparation helped her perform well in interviews and secure job opportunities. At last, Sneha's hard work paid off. She achieved her dream of becoming a cabin crew member, flying high and doing what she loves. Her journey proved that anything is possible with determination. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new lessons. Stay tuned for more inspiring stories and helpful lessons on our channel. We are here to support you on your journey to learning and achieving your dreams. Thank you for watching. Goodbye for now, and keep believing in yourself. Your dreams are within reach, and with dedication and effort, you can make them a reality. See you in the next video.